Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 30 October 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 44, number 15, number 26, number 6, booster number 32, booster number 20, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 41, number 9, number 16, number 48, number 36, booster number 24. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe.